Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Imagine this. You've just received a gift. Who gave it to you? What is it? Why was it given to you? And what are your thoughts on it? This is a sample question for the IELTS exam, an English proficiency test recognized worldwide. The IELTS, short for International English Language Testing System, assesses the English language proficiency of non-native English speakers. It covers listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. The question we posed earlier is a common one in the speaking section of the exam. You're given a minute to prepare your answer, and then you speak for up to 2 minutes. Your response should follow the who, what, why format. Who gave you the item? What is the item? Why was it given to you? And what do you think of the item? This simple structure can help you deliver a clear and organized answer. So start practicing, and if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, practice makes you better. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep practicing your English skills. Bye for now.